Have you ever joined an affiliate program before, got excited, posted your link everywhere, and then after days or weeks, zero sales, not even one person clicked on your link to buy? It's frustrating, right? You stay up late watching videos about how people are making thousands of dollars online. You dream about how one sales could change your weeks or months. But in reality, your dashboard is still showing zero. I know the pain because I've been there too. I've posted links in groups, DM to people, shared flyers, even run adverts, and still no sales. And I started wondering, maybe this affiliate thing doesn't even work. Maybe only big influencers make money from it. But here's what I found out. It is not that affiliate marketing does not work. It is simply because beginners affiliate marketers simply make a lot of mistakes that can even block their sales even before they get started. And today, I'm simply going to walk you through those mistakes one by one. Because when I learned these mistakes, avoided them, that was when I started seeing results in my affiliate journey. And today, I can proudly tell you that affiliate marketing is a gold mine and you can actually make a lot of money from it because I'm a living testimony. Number one of this mistake is that beginner affiliate marketers always promote without building trust. And this is the first and biggest mistake. Okay, picture this. You're scrolling through WhatsApp and someone just dropped a random link in your inbox and asks you, buy this. Are you going to click on that link? Probably not. And why? Simply because you don't know them, you don't trust them, and you don't even know if it's real. People don't buy link, they simply buy trust. Beginner affiliate marketers simply think that affiliate marketing is simply about flooding groups with links, but spamming only pushes people away. They start seeing you as desperate and not helpful, and the moment people spells desperation, they simply run away. So what works instead? Simply build relationships, share tips, answer questions, show proof of what you are promoting. And this is where it gets tricky. A lot of persons feel like you need to make money first before you start promoting something. No, it doesn't work like that. You don't have to make money first, because those people that started making money already did not make a sale before they started promoting it. You can actually use testimony from other people and can actually promote a product even without you making a sale from day one. Once people trust you and see that you've been creating content consistently, they already know you that you stand for this thing. Maybe you want to promote a course that is talking about how to grow on YouTube, and they see that you always make videos about YouTube, you always talk about YouTube, you always give them tips on how to grow on YouTube. Do you think the day you present a course on how to grow on YouTube, they are not going to buy from you? Like I said, share tips, make videos teaching people something for free, show proofs of what is working. For example, if you are promoting a video editing course, you can actually make a video teaching people how to edit something, and at the end of the day, you tell them, this is the tool I actually use to edit this video. You can get a link to this tool in the description box, and once they click on that link and subscribe, you are simply going to get a commission. And remember, people are not going to click on your link immediately, especially when you just started. That should not tell you to just stop. It should not tell you that you're not doing anything. You are simply building trust. And trust can take as high as 2 to 3 months to 6 months, depending on how consistent you are. A lot of persons started affiliate marketing, and within 2 months, they're able to make their first sale. Within 1 month, they're able to make their first sale. Those are for people that are actually consistent. Consistency is what will actually determine if you're going to make your first sales very early in 2 months, 3 months, or if you're going to make it in 6 months. Another mistake beginner affiliate marketers do is targeting the wrong audience. Imagine you selling baby clothes in a group full of teenagers. No matter how good your product looks, nobody is going to buy it because it's not going to be useful to them. That's exactly what beginner affiliate marketers do. They promote their product to people who are not interested in them. If you're promoting a YouTube tutorial course, for example, your classmates who don't even watch YouTube tutorials will not buy. You simply need to go to where creators hang out and talk about that. For instance, I was walking through the street of Facebook one day, and then I saw a lady talking about how YouTube pays little amount of money. And then I went into the comment section, and then I'm like, oh, you can actually make so much money from YouTube. I'm actually a YouTube tutor. I have a course that can actually help you to start and grow a YouTube channel. If you're interested, come to my DM. This is simply how you can actually leverage situations and opportunities in your niche to market your course. I cannot just go to a random group where they're talking about, maybe they are talking about something else entirely, and then I went to go and then I go and promote my link there. Simply go to YouTube groups, communities, comment sections, and forums where people are talking about what you are promoting. Beginners must stop shouting in the wrong rooms. Find the right audience first and then speak to their pain points. That is simply where sales happen. Another huge reason beginner affiliate marketers fail is lack of consistency. They post for 1 week, no sales, and then they disappear. But affiliate marketing is like planting a seed. You don't water it today and eat the fruit tomorrow. Simply water it for weeks and sometimes months before you're able to harvest the fruits. Okay, think of Coca-Cola. Everyone knows the brand Coca-Cola, but yet they still advertise every time. Why? Because consistency builds trust and keeps people's attention. If you want to make sales in affiliate marketing, you cannot post today and disappear tomorrow. You have to show up daily, create content, build relationships, and keep reminding people of the solution you're offering. This is simply how momentum is built. Now, here is the fourth mistake: no content strategy. Beginners wake up and simply post randomly. Today is about their cats, tomorrow is about affiliate links, next week about football memes, and that simply confuses people. Nobody simply knows what you stand for. Your content should literally position you as the go-to person on your niche. For example, people already know me that I talk about YouTube, how to grow on YouTube. I talk about how to make money online. If you come to my pages, for example, you're going to see videos about YouTube. You're going to see videos about affiliate marketing, how to make money online. So anybody that knows me knows that, okay, if I meet this lady, it's going to teach me how to grow on YouTube. It's going to teach me how to make money online. So people should actually know you for what you stand for. And why do they know me for those things? That is because I have always talked about it consistently and still talking about it. So people should know you for what you are talking about. If you promote digital skills, talk about online business, tips, money-making apps, and productivity. If you promote skincare, share lifestyle routines, diet tips, and personal reviews. Consistency in your team breeds authority. People simply begin to see you as the person to follow when they need that particular solution. And when they trust your core, 5 is selling instead of educating. This one simply hot, but it's the truth. Beginners focus on selling instead of educating. They scream, buy now, discounts today, limited time offer. But people hate being sold to. Instead, shift to education. Teach your audience why they need the product. Show them the transformation it can bring. For example, if you're promoting a course on social media marketing, explain how small businesses fail because they don't know how to run adverts. Then you say this course solves exactly that problem. Now, you're not selling, you're simply solving a problem. And people love to buy from guides. Mistake number 6 is not building an email list. Now, this is a silent mistake but totally powerful. Beginners do not build email lists at all. Now, here's the truth. Most people will never buy the first time they're hearing of the product. They need to think about it, compare it, and simply wait for the right time. And if you don't have their contacts, you lose them forever. And that's why the biggest affiliate marketers always say this: the money is in the list. Your email list simply helps you to follow up, remind people, and build trust over time. Even if social media shuts down tomorrow, your list is your business. Another mistake is impatience and shiny objects. This is the monster that kills beginner affiliate marketers. Impatience. They simply jump from one product to another. Today it's crypto, tomorrow it's skincare, next week it's a money app. And they never stay long enough to even see results. Affiliate marketing takes time. All the people you admire making 6 figures did not make it in just 1 week. They stayed with one niche, mastered it, and built an audience around it. So if you're always chasing the next shiny object, you will always be starting from zero. But if you focus, stay patient, and give it time, results will simply surprise you. Another mistake is poor mindset and fear of selling. A lot of beginner affiliate marketers are scared of selling. They don't want to promote too much because they think people will hate them, or they secretly believe they don't deserve to make money. Listen, affiliate marketing is not begging. Yes, they are going to tell you that the registration fee is what you are looking for, but it is not begging. It is simply you giving them a solution that will solve their problem, and you are getting a commission for it. You're not begging anybody, so don't be scared of that. Affiliate marketing is not begging. You are simply recommending them to a product that will solve their problem. Selling is serving. If you change your mindset and see it as selling, you're simply going to promote more confidently and make more sales. Now let's recap all the mistakes: promoting without trust, wrong audience targeting, lack of consistency, no content strategy, selling instead of educating, not building an email list, impatience and shiny object syndrome, and last but not the least, poor mindset and fear of selling. Now, here is the good news. Every single one of these mistakes can be fixed. If you focus on trust, target the right audience, stay consistent, have a strategy, educate instead of pushing, build your lists, stay patient, and believe in yourself, you're going to make a sale. I know all of this because I've lived in it. I was once stuck at 0, once doubted myself, but I stayed long enough to see results. And let me tell you, the joy of that first commission is unforgettable. So my challenge to you is simple. Stop making these mistakes. Decide today that you're going to do affiliate marketing the right way. And soon, you'll not only make sales, you're going to build the right and loyal audience who are always going to be willing to buy from you every time. You're going to build a business that will change your life forever. If you enjoyed this video, do well to like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload another video, you're going to get notified. You can check the description box or in the comment section of this video for an affiliate link I recommend to you. You can actually start if you've not started anyone. Also join my WhatsApp group so you're going to get more updates and more personalized information that I may not share on YouTube. Thank you for watching. Bye.